Hi guys, I am checking in with you to let you know kind of where I am. It looks like I'm going to have a sub at school for the next, for at least the end of this week. So what I'm going to give you to do is, we had talked in class, if you were with me on Monday, that I would give you your computer stuff at home and I will give you your cooking stuff at school. I'm going to flip that for this week. So I'm going to have you do a cooking lab at home. You can cook anything that you want. I will give you some recipes, but I will also let you go ahead and cook anything that you want at home. So if your family is making spaghetti, great, jump in and make spaghetti. If they are making a frozen pizza, not so much. I want you to do some actual cooking. I want you boiling water. I want you mixing ingredients. I want you doing something in the kitchen. Okay? You can cook absolutely anything that is not like straight out of a box or just to be microwaved. Okay? So, if you are making ramen noodles and you make it on the stove and then you add in some like mixed vegetables or something to that, great, that counts. But if you're just doing ramen noodles in the microwave, not enough. Okay, so think it through. Do something that your family is already cooking, and you are going to go ahead and upload the Google Cooking Lab assignment form is the name of it. I'm peeking over here to see what it says. So you're going to tell me what your recipe is. If you are making up your recipe as you go, like the ramen noodle one that I wrote down, you're just going to write down what it is that you put in it. But otherwise, if you are making it off of an actual recipe, just copy and paste it, put it in there. You're going to tell me how it turned out. Good, bad, it won't affect your grade. I just want to know how well it turned out and why you think it turned out good or bad. Whether or not your family members enjoyed it, whether or not you enjoyed it. Would you make it again? And if you would you change anything or would you leave it exactly the same? And then I want you to include some pictures. So take pictures of you going ahead and cooking, or you can take a video, either way. And I just want to see how well you are doing. So I'm going to go ahead and have you include that in your work this week. So this week I'm going to have you do your Pictionary, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and cook at home. So your Pictionary you can go ahead and do at school because I won't be there this week. And then you can go ahead and do your cooking lab at home this week and just turn in your pictures from there, okay? And then I will give you more of an update later when I know more about when I'm coming back and what the plan is. But right now, my daughter's been quarantined, and so we are not coming back yet for a little bit. So I will see kind of where we're at and what we need to be doing. And give you more information when I have that, but I just want to let you know you do have a sub at school, so do your Pictionary there, and be good for the sub, and then do your cooking lab at home. Okay, so I will talk to you soon. Bye.